Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, ambient lighting, battery saver, power brakes, traction control, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.